In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Vercel deployment. We'll walk through how to refresh an existing deployment by triggering a redeploy directly from the Vercel dashboard. This approach is perfect for rerunning a failed build, applying configuration changes that require a rebuild, or simply recreating a deployment from the same commit without pushing new code. First, open Vercel in your browser and navigate to your project's dashboard. Once you're viewing the project, find the deployments area in the interface and open it. This page shows a history of all builds for the project, including preview and production deployments, along with their statuses, commit messages, and timestamps. It's a great place to verify what's currently live and what's been tested. At the top of the deployments page, make sure the environment filter is set to all environments. This helps you see every relevant deployment, whether it's a preview created from a pull request or a production deployment that's serving traffic. Keeping this filter broad makes it easier to locate the exact item you want to refresh. Next, scan the list and identify the deployment you want to update. Double-check details like the environment label, the branch or commit message, and the time it was created to ensure you're targeting the correct one. When you're ready, move to the far right of that deployments row and open the Actions menu represented by 3 dots. This menu contains safe, deployment-specific actions you can take without changing your repository. Choose Redeploy from the menu. This tells Vercel to rebuild using the same commit and the same configuration that the selected deployment used. No new code is required, and nothing is pushed from your local machine. Vercel simply reruns the build in the cloud. This is helpful for transient CI issues, dependency or cache updates, or configuration adjustments that need a fresh build to take effect. You'll see a confirmation dialog next. Review the details to confirm you selected the right deployment, then click Redeploy again to proceed. Vercel will queue the job and start the build. You can watch the logs to track progress, see install and build steps, and confirm that outputs are generated as expected. When the redeploy completes, you'll see a new entry at the top of the list. For production, that redeployment will serve the live URL. For previews, you'll get a fresh preview URL to validate behavior. And that's all it takes. Open your project, go to deployments, show all environments, use the 3-dot menu, select redeploy, and confirm.